Alright guys, this is day 2 of the transmission swap on the Corvette, and I've got a lot of stuff done so far. Yesterday we barbecued with the fam for Halloween, and I didn't really record much because I had, family visiting and then, doing things with the kids, so I didn't really record much yesterday, but I did get some of the stuff done. Today we should be finished with everything and able to add new fluid to the transmission. I got about 12 quarts of transmission fluid. Got the transmission in. One thing to always remember if you're doing the automatic transmission swap, that to make sure that the torque converter is not dry. You do not start the car dry because then you will mess it up. I put at least like a quart, so that should be good there. Next thing I'm about to do is I'm actually gonna flush out the transmission cooler lines to get all the nasty old transmission fluid that was in there before. It's recommended when you're gonna do a transmission swap, either rebuilt or new, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Sorry, I just got back from Raleigh. I got one of these hoses and some clamps to put onto the ends of the transmission line to the AC flush that I have somewhere around here. Let me find it. And I just got back from my appointment too with my doctor about my knee. It's supposed to be on bed rest, but I'm determined to get this thing done and be able to put out a video for you guys. So this is what we're gonna be using. Oops. Hopefully I didn't break it. Oh, I hope I didn't break it. But we're gonna be using the AC Pro Power Clean and Flush. So this is what's gonna be used. We're gonna insert the hose of this hose to this hose to the cooler line and flush all that nasty stuff out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to do that. Put these things together. Show you where we need to pump that out into. Let me show you guys that right now. All right, so I got this hose connected. I'm about to drain all this old transmission fluid. Yeah, that compressor will work. Here it goes. You'll see all the old shit just drain right there. Focus. All the nasty transmission fluid. Once you see it start being cleared, then that means we're good to go. Oh, look at that. All red. Dirty. And there you have it, all the old junky transmission fluid that was in there. Look at that. All right, so cradle's in. Both sides, got it torqued down. Now I'm working on getting the axle and then suspension and the upper control arm, and then of course the tie rod right there. After that's in, then we can go ahead and finish bolting up everything else, and then finish wiring up the harness, the e-brake wire, and this is probably a speed sensor, I don't some sensor, and then we should be all set to get this thing going. Then of course the transmission, change the filter, add the fluid, and then see this thing goes into gear finally. I am hoping that that is the cause of this, but there we go. Everything is on. Something just came in the mail today from Super G. I've already opened the box. I haven't opened it completely, but let's go ahead and give this thing. Let's go ahead and open this thing and see what we got in the mail today. It's supposed to be in yesterday, but I'm glad we're able to get it in today, so that's okay. All right, let's see what we got. First off, came with some stickers. Hint, hint, Super G. Some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not. But, the other thing is here. We've got ourselves the Sakura Drifter chassis. This is a RC drift car. My son, he likes cars, so And you know, I would like for him to help me work on the Corvette because he says it's his, but I don't want him getting hurt. So I figured I'd do an RC build with him. So I went ahead and went on Super G. Shout out Super G for getting me my package here. And yeah, we'll just do a little reveal on this and show you what we got, what it comes with. This is just a chassis, so this comes with no motor, no servo, no remote, none of that good stuff. I just bought it, you know, just something that me and him can build, and then we can get a motor and the the battery and everything later on. But this thing comes with a few bags in here. I believe there's about 8 bags. It comes with the comes with more decals, and it also comes with the instruction manual book. So man, check it out. Check out Super G on Instagram. Look them up on YouTube. You can check out some of the. There's a few guys on there with builds. I think this thing is pretty cool because it comes with, like, you know, it's a whole build kit, like everything. I even, like, let me see if I can find it. It comes with wheels. Check them out. Wow, I didn't even choose them, but white's the way to go. It comes with suspension too, that you actually have to put oil in it. And I think that's pretty tight. It got springs and everything. Right there, the springs, and I think this thing is pretty dope. So this is my first RC build. I never built an RC, so I thought it'd be pretty cool for me and him to go ahead and build one together and start a build. They have different body styles. The one I'm really interested in, this is the chassis, but the one I really originally want to get is the Toyota Hilux truck body. Before I bought the Corvette, I was actually looking for a truck. I wanted to start a build on a truck. As some of you guys may know, might have seen the Guam flag. I am from Guam, and back home, you know, our car scene or truck scene out there is trucks, Toyotas, Nissans. You know, that's what we build back home. And you know, I've never had one. My dad, you know, always had one. My uncles have them. They build them themselves too. And you know, I figured I should start a build, at least build one of them at least, or you know, attempt to. But I saw the Corvette, and like I said before, I couldn't pass it up, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick that thing up instead of a truck. Plus, those trucks are freaking pricey, so they're still going for, like, I've seen some go for, like, man, 7,000 to 9,000 to be honest, and there were some that were 5,000 with like almost 300,000 miles, and I'm like, man, that's a lot of mileage, and that's pretty pricey. But in the future, we'll have one. But if you guys would like to see this thing get built, man, let me know down in the comments below, and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. I need your guys' help. Please subscribe. And if there's anything I need to work on to help better the the vlogs or the content, man, let me know in the comments below. I take good criticism to better myself. So anything you guys say, let me know. Give me some feedback on what I need to work on. I'm willing to do whatever I can to help build this channel. You know, this is I really want to try to grow the channel. You know, I don't have that many subscribers, but for those that are, you know, sharing my posts, you know, when I drop a new video, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much. You know, it's motivating me and keeping me going. Like I said, I don't have much subscribers, but I'm trying to put out good content and give you guys, you know, something to watch. But if you guys would like to see this in the future, let me know. I'm gonna start this soon with him, and then, you know, get the servo, battery, and all that ordered soon. I'm just gonna research to see what's recommended and what's best, and you know, what to look out for and stuff like that. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe down below. Follow me on my Instagram. It's pack_glide. I'll leave it down in the description below. You guys can always find it there. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up for today's video. If you liked the video and you watched it, thank you so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you get me to 1,000 subscribers, we'll do a giveaway. Maybe we can do a giveaway on one of these RC ones. I don't know. Let me know. Give me 2,000 subscribers. Like, comment. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it down here, even though I mentioned it earlier, but I'll leave it somewhere down here. Give me a follow. And then, yeah, the next video that should be coming up, we should be working on getting the transmission filled and getting this thing on the ground, on the 2 wheels, and gone for a test drive. So I'm hoping everything went well. If there's, you know, something I missed or whatever the case is, let me know if you have any questions about the transmission install. If you're planning on doing this yourself, feel free to either leave a comment or DM me on Instagram, and I'll be gladly there to help you out. Like I said, it's my first time working on the Corvette. It's been a you know, a good learning experience. I've learned a lot. especially working on an American car because I've never done it before. But I've learned a lot with this, the Corvette. So that's gonna wrap it up. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.